There are waves moving through the universe right now, passing through you, me, the walls, the air. They come from collisions so violent they shake the very fabric of reality, and yet we cannot see them. They carry no light, no color, no image, only motion, only silence. They are called dark sirens, gravitational echoes from black holes, neutron stars, and cosmic cataclysms that send ripples across space and time itself. Astronomers can't see their source, but they can hear the faint signature of their passing, a tremor smaller than an atom, whispering through the earth. If the universe could sing, this is the song it would choose, a melody made of gravity echoing through the dark. A century ago, Albert Einstein predicted this invisible symphony. In 1916, he described space not as emptiness, but as a living fabric, a stage that bends and flexes whenever matter moves. A planet curves space slightly, a star bends it deeply, but when two enormous objects, like black holes, collide, that curvature ripples outward like waves in a pond. For decades, this idea remained theory. No instrument was sensitive enough to detect such tiny distortions. Until 100 years later, in 2015, in a quiet corner of Louisiana. There, an array of lasers known as LIGO picked up a signal unlike any before. Two black holes, each 30 times the mass of the sun, merged over 1 billion light years away. The signal lasted less than a second, a faint chirp, whoop, the sound of space-time itself vibrating. That single whisper confirmed Einstein's century-old prediction. For the first time in history, we didn't just see the universe, we heard it. These were called standard sirens, gravitational waves tied to visible events, accompanied by light or radiation. But then came new signals, mysterious, silent. Ripples without light, no star, no explosion, no visible trace at all. They were real, but dark, and so scientists named them dark sirens. To understand dark sirens, imagine the universe as a vast ocean. Every massive object creates waves in that sea. When black holes collide, they send tidal surges, gravitational waves that travel unimpeded across billions of light years. They don't fade like light. They pass through gas, dust, and galaxies as if the cosmos were transparent. LIGO in the United States, Virgo in Italy, and KAGRA in Japan work together to detect these waves. Each uses laser beams split along 4-kilometer tunnels to measure distortions smaller than 1/10,000th of a proton's width. It's an orchestra of precision. Every vibration tells a story. When the signal comes with visible light, it's a standard siren. Scientists can locate its source, but dark sirens arrive alone, devoid of any light to trace, only gravity. They may come from black hole pairs swallowed in perfect darkness, their event horizons trapping every photon. To us, they are ghosts, unseen but not unfelt. And yet, these ghost waves have become cosmic rulers. By measuring how they stretch space, scientists can calculate the rate at which the universe expands. Gravitational waves are pure messengers, unaffected by matter or time. They travel straight from the past, like untouched echoes of creation. But beyond science, there's something poetic, almost sacred about dark sirens. The light of their birth died billions of years ago, yet their voice still reaches us. They are the ghosts of ancient stars, remnants of cosmic love stories and violent endings. Their name, Dark Siren, comes from mythology. Sirens were the creatures whose voices could draw sailors across endless seas. These cosmic sirens sing across an ocean of space-time, not to lure, but to remind us we are still listening. When you strip away the math, what remains is rhythm, frequency, vibration. Everything that exists vibrates. The atoms in your body, the sound in your chest when you speak, the pulse in your wrist. Humanity's oldest awareness was not sight, it was sound. Before language, before writing, we listened. And perhaps that's why this discovery feels intimate. We've begun to listen again, not just to the world around us, but to the universe itself. These waves are older than the earth, older than light, older than fear. When we hear them, we are hearing the memory of creation. Each gravitational wave has its own fingerprint, a unique pattern of frequency and decay. Scientists translate these signals into sound, turning data into something we can hear. Some resemble musical notes, a cosmic orchestra, where each event adds another instrument. But some detections don't fit any pattern. They don't match black hole collisions, neutron-star mergers, or known cosmic phenomena. To some, they're statistical noise. To others, they might be whispers from the universe's infancy. Primordial gravitational waves formed moments after the Big Bang. If proven real, they would be the oldest sound ever recorded, the echo of time beginning. The idea is haunting, that the universe never stopped speaking. We simply hadn't learned how to listen until now. Every detection, every faint chirp is a message from the deep past, reminding us that nothing truly disappears. Even death leaves resonance. Even silence has shape. Throughout history, humans worshipped what they could see, the fire of the sun, the stars, the visible. But the universe has revealed its greatest truths not through sight, but through what we cannot see. Dark matter shapes galaxies. Dark energy drives expansion. Dark sirens sing. Where no light escapes, the unseen defines reality, and maybe the same is true for us. Love, thought, consciousness, they can't be measured, yet they move worlds. Perhaps that's what the universe is trying to teach us, that what is invisible is not unreal. The most powerful forces are silent. Gravity, emotion, time, each unseen, each undeniable. So, what do you think? Are dark sirens just ripples in the void, or messages from the heart of creation itself? The cosmos continues to whisper. We are only beginning to listen, and as long as those waves travel through the dark, so will our curiosity. Join us next time as we follow another echo from the edge of space to the depths of human wonder. This is Spatium Temporis.